Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know the intro was very weird. Lots of cuts and beeps.
Who said I'm rolling? I'm not even rolling, man.
You are rolling it.
I'm not rolling. I cut it off.
No.
I did.
For 2 minutes 45 seconds.
No worries, I got an iCloud storage.
Okay, I'll keep recording then.
Hell no.
Guys, look at this. Look at this. I have a charge, no one can. Hyderabad, guys, Hyderabad. You know, that's called a tree. Even this is called a tree. This is called the road. This is called
हाँ तो करूँगा. अगर
yeah, send me this. I'll edit it this time.
You wanna edit it?
I'll edit it.
No, I don't trust you when it comes to
That's
editing.
good. I'll edit it.
I would rather trust this guy than you, bro. He said he will edit. I said I don't trust you. I'll trust only Yanni when it comes to editing. I said fuck my life.
Okay.
All tickets, ID cards. Janam Jud. Entrance exam. Entrance exam. Yo!
This one is not coming, but the Yanni,
Senior.
Oh,
ACM president.
Vinay,
nice.
Manas and
Okay. Yeah, back to interview.
Back to it. This is, bro, we just came to write an entrance exam, man.
It's not a hackathon. 24 hours of an exam.
Janam Jud asal pakan natam juice. Literally exactly. Entrance exam.
And the same.
All tickets, right? University na book and see.
so literally bad.
Nothing. This guy. Thanks to this.
Even he didn't tell me. Pen gawala.
You are the team lead, so you should take the responsibility.
Oh, shut the fuck up. You guys just push it onto me.
I'll show you. So this is what my guy brought. But this is just a half of the version. So the full version is of 2 pages, and this guy brought a one single page for four people. Like, how do you expect that they will allow us?
These guys are bullying me pre-hackathon. Cyber case डालूंगा अभी बोल रहा हूँ. Boxer hack डालूंगा.
You are older than us.
उसको देख उसको ब्लॉक कर मेरा चैनल क्यों ब्लॉक कर रहा है? Senior ragging junior. Senior little ragging junior.
So, Felix,
Shut the fuck up.
now you need to wait. I'll tell you the main part. Now after you go in, you need to get those bands. You need to check confirm a team.
Last time I did it.
Yeah.
Even though this guy was a team lead, I did it.
But now you need to do it again. Last time it was in Triple IT, so you were safe.
अरे हमने exam center आई थी. चार जना अंदर आई हूँ.
So team leader doing his job by forgetting the main NOCs. Please don't eat that. We have only one.
So we got our. यहाँ पे लगाओ क्या अभी?
अरे आप क्या है?
I don't know, bro. Welcome to.
Let's do a meetup at lunch.
Sure.
Let's have an entire meetup at lunch. You know, whole megathon squad.
अरे मेरे को भूल गया साले मैं ही हूँ. मैं हूँ उनका टीम लीड.
So guys, I forgot to introduce you.
साले
fight.
हर बार करेगा.
अभी नहीं है.
Yeah. OG people know that his name is Abhinay.
You were. क्या वो bro? इसकी बत्ती बनाऊँ मैं?
Thanks man.
Bro ना. इसकी बत्ती बनाऊँ?
हाँ बना ले. इसको. तो मेरे को
अरे कहाँ पर चिपका ये चीज? यहाँ पे. ऐसे? ऐसे सिप्टमेंट से? हाँ. सी बे? कितने गिरे हुए? I've been saving money, bro. हाँ? Saving money यार. University के चुने. My college won't compromise on this, bro. What the fuck? हमारा कॉलेज जो तो वही है क्या प्रिंट निकाल के भाई ये क्या है? Hi guys, we got on.
Why? Like, look how rich this bastard is.
What do you mean? You know you have a gaming laptop.
This is good. But look at this dumbass. What is that bitch doing?
Guys, new notch.
Indra, that like.
I don't know.
Any words?
What words?
Any words?
Why?
Any words, Manas? Anything you want to say to the cam?
I got nothing.
तेरे पे रखूँगा कैमरा देख के क्या करेगा तू?
क्या? चल भाई चलो गेमिंग के करते हैं.
he won't mind.
Yeah, I know. But wireless is better than wire.
Why do you twist it, bro?
I didn't twist.
Gravity. Tag. His headphones are mine.
Oh, I didn't do anything. No, just count this.
Not even what? The hackathon didn't even start. And this guy's playing Valorant.
So what do you... अबे landscape लगा landscape. अबे landscape लगा portrait नहीं. Okay guys, bye. Match start. It won't work.
Try करेंगे.
I just finished playing Valorant for a while because the inauguration didn't start. But now
It started. But yeah, it's just all about the introduction.
so I just played in this laptop.
Now he's enjoying. Manas is watching Ekaki. Guys, if you haven't watched Ekaki, come on, you are missing a great show. And I don't know what Felix is doing. Felix क्या कर रहा है?
He's opening the Valorant.
He's also playing Valorant, no?
He want to play. This guy want to play.
Okay, you want to.
I played like some.
You can play in this. So it's the evaluation, innovation and try originality, knowledge of idea, and creation of process, implementation code, quality architecture, use of AI, functionalities is 25%, and impact and relevance, real world applicable scalability and I don't know, and business value 20%, 20 months, demonstration and presentation, clarity of the demo, storytelling and okay, so we are gonna mess up here mostly storytelling. Slide quality, yeah, probably we are gonna use feasibility and completeness, how well the prototype works. Next, viability for further development. So we need to score maximum points here. This, apart from this one, we need to focus on this. So yeah. Okay. So the problem statement has been selected and will be explained by Abhining.
Wait, I didn't select it yet. Huh?
Bro, just go and tell them. Yeah, select problem.
Yeah, Wi-Fi.
No, wait. Why do I think it's just a static website? Yeah, it's static website. Bro, 1 second, Abhini. Just check it. The button has no feature. So for past 3 minutes, the guy is stuck.
Here's the flow, basically. So, name क्या है?
Palantir mini version.
Palantir मुझे Gojo कुछ भी हो. Okay, some shit. So right now, the main objective, the main objective is to gather, let's say this fucker is on a net, okay? LinkedIn पे account है, TikTok पे account है, okay? The thing is, if we input let's say his username.
Username mail.
कुछ भी, you can give multiple inputs something, some username, number, optional, but one should be there. The thing is you have to search them. There are some the main thing you guys have to do is build a graph, okay? So this is person A, right?
Okay.
You there's a correlation that A and B share this account. Now normally they're expecting us to only have one person, so like A has this, and these are linked by this email. Some type of graph. That's the basic deliverable. You could scale onto this.
We could scale it later once we started fetching the data.
Let me make a small bit first.
So first what we need to do is just start scraping internet
Yeah.
for data.
For data.
And I know the best places to scrape it data.
Anyway,
Yeah, this guy is always linking that. So you
this
can
is the flow. Inputs, we search, we store them. This is the one step. We search, we store them. We correlate if this is the same guy or not. And then we reason by the LLM. They should come here actually.
Spider को call करना. He's calling me.
I don't know how we're going to do this. Probably logic regression. And the output at the end. These are the derivatives. The teachers will expect. Tell me where the fuck I am on all these platforms. Tell me where I am on the internet. And make my profile. It's like user my
हाँ.
inputs like username, mobile number, and things.
मैं video record कर रहा हूँ पता.
Platforms I'm on. LinkedIn. Yeah, you know.
That will be shown in the graph.
बोलता हूँ यार. थोड़ी देर
Yeah.
रुक जा.
Easy. This is just to and for
ठीक है भाई.
correlated.
Got it. Don't stress that.
For this risks, how much risk?
For risk analysis, we can use like how bad he is, how bad he got fucked up.
How's fucked up? How is
So
it?
like I have that.
Okay, so we just finished our architecture, how to build our application. ये अपने जॉब में लगा. अगर हो गया तो you are not thinking in that way.
I have it in my brain.
It's not about if we lose. It's about someone finds.
Plan leakage.
If someone finds that, then we
अरे ये चटा है ना दम था लेकिन ये प्लास्टिक ना ब्लैक मैजिक आशना.
Okay, thanks to this guy, we got our architecture now. So this guy is hungry. I am hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah, sure. Look
I
at
mean,
my
no.
face.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yes. It's okay. No one asks. You want to eat? He's ready to eat my hand. He's ready to start cannibalism. He's that hungry.
Time out bro. Request time out. Louder if I am.
Guys, I guess we are gonna have a IRS PPS. Red Bull gives you win.
It's Monster friendly.
No, I'm a Red Bull fan, but a white monster is like,
It's heaven.
yeah.
अरे साल hotspot.
Okay, I don't want to see that scrapper now. We need to start working on the shit.
I'm gonna do it after.
So stop it.
I wanna see. I wanna see.
Huh? Yeah. That's kind of dashboard you need. You liked it V0?
No.
Then?
Because it has limitation, right? It has limitation. At certain point, I'll reach the limits and I can't use it.
You have $5 credits. If you want, I can give you my account.
No, I don't want. I'll use after.
Oh,
I have 5.
why look hotspot
5
is
into
running.
5.
Hotspot is running, but not Wi-Fi. Hotspot पे काम कर रहा है.
Why don't you make Alta full of it, na?
No, it won't close. Look at my scraper, how well it's running. Can match us.
Now you're gonna start Streamlit or CST.
Yes,
Bro, why don't you?
Fuck UI, bro. I hate UI. I hate making UI.
Why don't you use Streamlit?
I use Stream, I just don't use it. Links, agents. Who won? How the team fucked up? VCT app. Only 100, only 10 though. I'm proud of this. Let's go eat, guys.
Okay.
So we are going to get some food, guys. Let's go.
So
We'll get in touch with an engineer at Palantir.
let's ask Discord mods because they have some links with Palanters. अभी कैंटीन जा रहे हैं खाने के लिए. उसको भी नीचे आने के लिए बोल. Call him to come.
Do we need our IDs? Yeah, I'll let my ID.
He forgot his ID. Be like Yanni and me, bro. And guys, I wanna show you something. I guess it's not focusing. Oh, इधर आना.
What happened, bro?
पकड़ इसको.
Hey, see this.
It's not focusing. It's not focusing. So I am Sriram Charan and I am from SMSC.
SMSC, bro.
And I don't know when I changed from KG Reddy.
Easily to SMC. You just transfer.
Bro, what? Called Spidey. What are they even doing?
What happened to your old one?
I think I have it.
Hello?
What?
I ate it actually.
Hello? You blowed it.
Ask him for pro. Like actually after discussion, he'll give. Ask this guy. What happened to my phone? Accurately he'll give what I did to it. Actually, I did.
अरे हम लोग अभी कैंटीन जा रहे हैं.
Another block. Huh?
PC है उनके पास. College के. Favoritism towards students. You see those few fucking PCs?
Those are all Apple.
Yeah, no man. That's what I'm talking about.
iMacs.
This guy came here first, and then he said no and came into our college.
Okay, guys, we are back at the place. So now we क्या कर रहे हैं? अबे नहीं ये क्या है? Why bro? I have mine. I could wear mine. Why sir?
मेरे को तो लग रहा है.
अब वो तेरे को कभी नहीं देगा. जैसे कि ये हरकतें कर रहा है.
तू देख रहा है?
आराम से मॉनिटर है. स्क्रीन है.
The template I found it. Template मैंने ढूंढा एक बार. Exactly what you wanted. Just check it out.
So now
इधर आके देख.
we start building.